So to get started in Premiere, the first thing you want to do is create your project folder before you even open the application. So you can see here I've got a folder I created. It's got the date, it's got my name, and it's got the name of the project. In this case, it's just video name. And then inside of there, I've got some subfolders. I might have separate audio. I might create graphics. I might have still images. In this case, I'm just going to have some video files for this demo. And then I make a folder called Output. And that's where I am going to put my finished video when I'm done, so it's easy to find. So once you've created all that and you've moved in your assets, you come over to Premiere. In Premiere, in the top left, you create New Project. And in the top left, you're going to type, or in this case, just paste in the name. I use the same name as the folder for my video so that everything's consistent. And then I want to save this Premiere project into that same folder. So I'm going to click Choose Location. I'm going to navigate to this project, open it up, and hit Choose. From there, you have a few options. You can, right from this window, begin to import your video or your stills or your assets. Premiere will often offer these free kind of sample video footage that you can play around with. But in this case, we're going to go look for our project. So on the desktop, okay, so inside this folder, and to my videos. So these are the video sample folder files. So let's pretend this is what you shot for your project. You can click the ones you want to import, or you can click and drag and get them all. You want all the boxes clicked of any video that you want to add. You can always add ones later if you forget or if you shoot more for your project. But in this case, I've decided I want to import these into this project I'm creating. And then over here on the right, I can create a bin for those. A bin is just Premiere's way of saying folder. So I can give that a name, and I'm just going to call it video. And I'm going to tell it to create a sequence for me. And I can give that a name, or I can just leave it as sequence 1, but I'll just call this my first edit. You can call it whatever you like. From there, so I've selected that I want to import this video. I want to put it into a folder inside of Premiere. I want Premiere to just create a sequence for me. Saves me a lot of work on the other end. If you had other things you wanted to try and find and import, you could look for those. But in this case, I'm just going to click Create. You can see Premiere is creating the project, importing the video, and it's going to get me right into editing mode. So over here on the left in this window, you can see I've got the footage. You can see this is the sequence. You can see the sequence over here. I can play through it, these clips, and you can see the video here. And then from here, you would just begin editing. So this is how we get started setting up that initial Premiere project.